Go left.
Ako na meron ko
Trail.
in
Let's
pero
follow
po
it.
team na to Andoro 90. No gameplay on the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Yung kanta pati takaisuan pati takaisuan gameplay on the
This way,
Modern
Sergeant.
Warfare
Rudy,
Call
how
of
long you
Duty
known
Modern
Alejandro?
Warfare 2.
20 years.
Sa akin ako
Signed
yan.
up together. Toughest dude in the regiment.
I wouldn't want to mess with him.
We used to say, el único que puede matar a Alejandro es Alejandro.
What's it mean?
The only thing that can kill Alejandro is Alejandro.
Glad he's on our side.
A huevo.
Hold up. Eyes on the prison. Patrols on the outside.
We'll have to take them out to get in.
2 snipers first tower. Soap, you take one. I'll get the other.
Shadow's down.
Good shots, hermanos.
I'll flank around and we'll clear the field. Rudy, give us a hand. Hold fire, Soap.
Got a heli incoming. Looks like a supply drop.
Copy. Eyes on 6 shadows.
Affirm. 3 at the vehicle. 2 behind it. 1 solo on your right side.
Take the 2 at the vehicle first, and the others won't see.
Good call. Soap. On my mark, drop the 1 in the cab.
Set.
Check. 3, 2, 1. Solid. 2 down. On the move. Take the 2 right at the vehicle. I'll hit the 1 on the other side.
Clear.
All clear. Push up to the base of the tower. That's our entry point. Stay quiet.
Let's get up there. Good hook.
Take point, Lieutenant. Soap, cover. Oh, you, Soap. Check fire up top. Keep us quiet.
Aye.
Up.
Copy. Behind you.
Let's get to the security room. Stay close.
Look for a hatch with a ladder.
Got it. On me, Soap. Down in here.
Aye, coming down.
All in. Let's move.
Security building is straight ahead. CCTV is inside. Move fast and stay low. 2 inside. Let's take them out before they call their amigos. Let's get in there. On you, Soap.
We're clear. We'll use a closed circuit to locate my men.
And find Alejandro.
We'll need diversions when we move. I'll plant charges on the outside, Soap. Your eyes will guide me.
Aye.
Get on those cameras.
On it.
Same.
I'm out. Watch for me.
Raj, good luck, LT.
Soap, let me know when I'm clear to move in past the gate.
Clear, go.
Access the camera ahead and check for threats.
1 shadow. Easy kill. Good to go. Knife him. Down. Move, Ghost. Shadow on the balcony. Go for the gun, LT. A little help's not so bad, eh, LT?
Stay focused, Johnny.
Just saying.
Keep it tactical, Sergeant.
Go up. Go down.
Wearing body armor, I'll have to get in close.
Trash bin on your right. Time to take out the trash.
So fucking hell.
One on patrol inside the razor wire. Use your knife. Good kill. Go, LT. One in the corner, his gun's down. Let's see some knife work, LT. Sleep tight, shithole. Go to the crate. Move to the truck.
Good place to plant a charge. How's it look?
Go for it, LT.
Check. Bomb planted. On the move.
Move up. Guarding the catwalk. Stand by. I'll tell you when. Time for distraction, LT. Your bread and butter, son.
Lights out.
Go to the crate. He's heading toward the electrical.
Unless he runs into me on the way.
Use your blade. Sleep well, asshole. One on your left. Take a stab at him. 99, fuckhead. Head left. Recommend your blade. Dropped him. Clear, go. One, left. Put around him. Shadow might come across that dead lad you left.
Or he might join him.
Gone. Seen a pickup you can sabotage.
Good call, Sergeant.
Dump him. Go, now. Dump him. Good night. Go to the truck.
Planting charge. 2 down. Moving.
Eyes on one ahead. Draw blood and drop him, sir. Classic Ghost. You're good. One on your left. Cut and run, LT. Another dead shadow. APC looks ripe for a bomb, LT. Go now, Ghost. You'll need a diversion.
Roger.
Got 2 closing on you. Appears clear. Go, now. Go left. Shadow, left. Cut and paste him, Ghost. He's down. Go with the gun. Go now, Ghost. Go up. Heads up, one shadow. Show him something sharp. Looking good, LT. Knife him.
Gonna do this one my way. Watch.
Fucking beautiful, sir. You're good to plant that charge.
Solid copy.
All clear. Two coming in off the road. Let 'em pass. Good to go. Move to the truck. Clear to move. No threats. Move. Head left. Push up. Come down, LT. Another APC with your name on it. Laying down on the job, eh? Use your blade. Shadow down. Go to the truck. One right. Show him something sharp. Good night. Move right. Go for it, LT. 4 less to give us chase.
We're all set here, Johnny. Have we located Alejandro?
Perfect timing. I found him.
Where?
Stand by.
Bloody fucking hell. That's him.
He's in solitary. 2 on the door.
I see him. Ghost. We got him. He's alone. 2 shadows on guard.
Not for long. RV outside the cell block. We'll pry him loose.
Roger that. On the move. Good work.
Igual, amigo. Alejandro would have come for us.
Eso que ni qué.
Vamos por unos vaqueros, cabrón.
Ghost, what's your status?
Coming your way.
Copy. We're on the move.
Heads up on the hill.
Looks like Rab is line of sight.
Cell block. Entries ahead. Shadows blocking the way.
Let's send him to hell and get inside.
All clear.
It's locked.
We'll need to reach it.
No, Rudy. Knock.
On me. Enemies on the second deck.
More coming down the street.
So, we'll keep them busy up top. Press forward.
Coming up behind you, Sergeant.
Alejandro's up here. Let's go. Alejandro's down the hall. Right side.
Expect contact.
There's Alejandro's cell. Open it up. I'll cover you.
Johnny, when I pop this lock, you push in. This is what we came for.
Alejandro! ¡Es mío, hermano!
Coronel, relájate, cabrón. Somos nosotros.
Soap! Rudy! Ghost! Didn't think we'd leave you, did you?
It took you so long,
Place is
pendejos!
crawling with shadows. There'll be hell ahead.
Let's fight fire with fire.
There's more vaqueros in the cells upstairs.
Time to get him out.
Órale, on you, Rodolfo.
You seen Graves here?
No, but I plan to pay that cabron a special visit.
Oh, me too.
They have guards on all the floors. Be ready.
So, try whatever you got.
Hijos de puta.
Kill everything that moves!
I think we're clear.
Los vaqueros are locked in these cells.
Estamos, vaqueros. Hora de ir a casa.
Estamos aquí, hermanos. ¿Los sacaremos?
We breach in the doors.
Doors are powered. Controls are on the command post across the hall.
Doing it.
¡Órale! ¡Mis hermanos a la fuerte! Sargento Parra tiene armas. Tomen una ni esperen aquí.
Comandante, ¿estás vivo?
Rest of you with me.
¡Bendito sea!
Ninguna prisión puede detener a los vaqueros.
El único
So,
que puede...
come on.
Right
Clock's
with you.
ticking now. We gotta move. This was the mess hall.
Let's make a mess.
Órale.
Shadows know we're here.
Check out.
Watch the castle!
Big room. Make sure we're clear.
Despejado, coronel.
No threats. Regroup on the door. It's padlocked.
I got it.
El fantasma siempre preparado. On you, Colonel. Weapons hot, hermanos. Stairwell leads down and out. We'll link up with the others and exfil the fuck out of here.
Exfil vehicles are set. Ghost planted charges to help us get out.
With Johnny's out. I can't call Soap Johnny.
Don't. Only Ghost can pull that off.
Supplies there. Take what you need. There'll be serious resistance getting out.
We'll have to cross the yard to get everyone out.
Right side! Sniper on the roof!
Sniper down.
Shot, hermano!
Boom, baby.
Good effect. Let's move up. Turret gun in our way. Clear.
Go on yourself, you scum. We clear?
For now. Rodolfo, where to?
Cut through the building, left side.
These shadows are crazy.
Mercenaries, Johnny. Bloody wannabes. Appears quiet. Take anything we can use to stay in the fight, Johnny. I'll get an OP up top and cover my fire. The rest of you wait for my signal.
Copy.
Second floor! Moving out.
Have to pull the courtyard to get across.
field we can use to flank up.
We need to get up and over that wall. You hear that?
Loud and clear, Bryce. Coming to you.
Who is he?
A friend. I like him already. Vaqueros, vayan al muro, entre las torres, ya! Be advised. Ropes deployed. Find them and climb. Roger that.
We're clear for now, but shadows are on the way. Count on it.
Sergeant Metellus.
Good to see you, Captain.
Ghost.
Garrick, Bryce.
How'd you know?
Laswell. Soon as Shepard went dark, she called us.
Laswell's still solid as a rock.
Colonel Vargas. Meet Captain Price and Sergeant Garrick.
Thanks for the assist. My men need cover fire. Gaz, Soap, Ghost. Overwatch, now. If there's weapons in that tower, use them.
More vehicles incoming from the front.
Steaming Jesus, look at this.
Got grenade launcher!
Pressure fire! Friendly's coming on the road.
Once they're up, we're pulling out.
Get snipers on the roofs. Take them out. Good effect. Vamos! ¡Avancen rápido mientras está despejado!
We're good to go, Coronel.
Let's get the fuck out of here, hermanos! Sergeant, get on the rope. We're going. Those two are ours. Check.
Rodolfo, you take the truck we came with.
Roger that. Vaquero, sígueme. Rudy, nos vamos en el rancho.
Sale, Coronel. Suerte.
Captain, follow me. Copy. Gas, drive.
On it. Go, Soap. This is us.
Load in. Hit it, Gaz.
Shepard burned us.
He sent Graves to the shadows to kill us and round up Los Vaqueros.
We know why.
Laswell did a bit of digging.
What did she find?
Truth.
I uncovered redacted intel regarding a black bag operation conducted by General Shepard and carried out by Shadow Company. They were transacting American-made ballistic missiles to our allies fighting Russians in the Middle East. The mission did not go as planned.
What are we carrying this time, Graves?
If I told you, I'd have to kill you.
I bet he'd do it too.
This is nothing but a milk run, boys. Guns for the good guys. We'll be back here at HQ for breakfast. Don't shit the bed, and there'll be bonuses all around. Find me when you're back.
Yep.
Shepard's waiting for a sit rep. Don't leave him hanging. Out.
3 containers.
That's a lot of fucking milk. Thirsty friends. Shadow 2 to Gold Eagle Actual.
10 traffic, 2.
3 Shadow Victors exiting Highway 7 Zulu. No issues, Actual.
Copy. Get that cargo delivered on time. Do not fail. Eagle out.
Do not fail. Told you this shit was important.
What's this? 3, this is Erickson. What's up?
Got a vehicle in the road.
Stand by. Coming to you.
Graves, Vance, be advised. We're held up. Sorting it out now.
Handle it. Keep the line moving.
Roger that.
Reconnaissance said the route was clear of enemy activity. The reports were wrong. The shipment was spotted before it arrived at its destination.
You gotta move. Sir, you need to move.
I don't like this.
His Arabic is atrocious.
Paulo, lean out and cover him. On it.
We need a chirp out here. What's the call, sir?
Vance, DePaulo, go help him out.
Fuck! Contact! 3-1 is down!
Light him up, DePaulo!
Who the fuck are these guys? Back up! Back up! All stations, close in contact! Taking effective fire! Multiple casualties! Contact rear!
Eliminate that threat, Shadow. This is Gold Eagle Actual. Do not lose that cargo.
Eyes high! Watch those buildings! On the roof! RPG! Just move! Stop! We're surrounded! They're everywhere! What the fuck are they?
Actual requesting QRM. Negative. We fight with the guns we have. Yes, they need help. You are my help. Now fix this.
We got the Russian PMCs!
What are they doing out here? All stations, we got Russian PMCs out here!
Repeat. Russian?
Enemy troop is Russian!
God damn it, Graves. You're setting the route clear.
Too many of them! Graves, we need reinforcements!
Actual, my boys are getting stitched up. They need air support. We can't do that, Graves, and you know it. Get down!
All Shadows report. Any station this is Shadow Actual. What is your status? Erickson, it's Graves. What's your location? Man, Apollo. Copy. General, I need Narbird up now. Men are in trouble, sir. I want this situation contained. That means this operation will not be reported. General, my men are taking fire from PMC. This situation is...
The Russians executed the entire squad and got a hold of Shadow's comms. They learned Shepard was behind it. Russia gave the missiles to Hassan. Shepard's intentions were good, but the shipments were illegal and off the books. He and Graves buried it. The cover-up is always worse than the crime. We were getting too close, and they weren't gonna let that happen. 3 missiles were stolen. We've only found 2. Hassan's got 1 more. We need to find it.
You hid this. Why?
We all keep secrets, Captain.
Why the hell wasn't I informed?
Consider yourself well informed now, John.
Oh, that's really fucking helpful. General, thank you, but you were a day late. The missiles short was 3 of them. We only found 2.
Then point yourself in that direction and fix it.
And who fixes you, eh?
I don't need fixing.
I'm a patriot protecting my country.
Protecting your own art.
I do what needs to be done, and no one holds me down with a roll of red tape.
I know what's best for the cause.
You've lost your mind, General.
And you've forgotten what you're fighting for, John. To do good, you've got to do some bad. When we shit, we bury it. That's how it works.
Yeah. We don't bury each other with it, do we?
You need to turn off that side of your head and face down the real enemy.
You need to call off your shadow.
Graves?
Yeah.
He's a dog with a bone, and I highly recommend you don't try and take it.
This is your last chance to change your mind.
Then what?
Then after I go for him, I'm coming for you.
¡Órale! ¡Vaqueros! ¡Pongan atención! All right, listen. We are taking back your HQ. You're getting up prisoner, We are killing Commander Graves.
When?
Now. This is a fight against our own. We are not 1-4-1 and Los Vaqueros on this. We're a team. Ghost team. Good to see you again, Salman. If you're in, take a mask. If you're not, don't.
My troops know the Fuerzas Especiales facility better than Shadow, so we'll have the advantage. Be advised, they'll be on high alert because of the prison break. We'll infiltrate the base with 2 ghost teams. Team 1 is Captain Price, Gaz, me, and 1 pilot. Team 2 is Ghost, Soap, Rudy, and Los Vaqueros. Team 1 will use the tunnels to get to the tarmac and commandeer a helo. My pilot will take the captain up. Team 2 will stand by outside until Price fires on the entry gate and lets them in to fight their way to Graves. I suspect he'll be in my Valeria. Ghost Team 2 will find Graves and kill him. 4 ghosts in the tunnel.
Copy. Our codes still work.
Affirmative. What's your status?
1 click from the gate with Soap and Ghost.
Copy. Hold tight. Out. Good work, Alejandro. Guys, take your 6. Let's move.
Kumanto ginawa gameplay yun. Mga dita gameplay.
Stay with him, guys. It's up.
Apa? Sabi mo.
Tighten up, Sergeant.
Ako na gameplay yun. Mga kikimi sa mga rita anak ko yun. So,
Traps. Pinchuero, Graves. Let's see. Smoke out.
Fucking hell.
It's a fucking Golda. We'll have to disable them.
Roger that.
Cuidado.
Done.
Good. There'll be more ahead. Listen for the sound. The lasers are moving. The pipes block them. We can time it.
Good call.
The lasers are moving. The pipes block them. We can time it.
Good call, Colonel.
You see this in my base? We find Graves. The lasers are moving. The pipes block them. We can time it.
Good call, Colonel.
I hate to see this in my base. When we find Graves, lo matamos despacio.
Move when it's clear.
Rog.
All you guys.
Got it.
Expect more ahead. Let's move up. My men use these tunnels. We practice escape and evasion down here. ¿Recuerdan el simulacro, vaqueros?
¿Cómo olvidarlo, comandante? Los entrenaste bien.
Eres un buen soldado. Cuando todo se termine, vendrás a mi rancho. Cocinamos una asada.
Me encantaría.
Órale. Heads up for the back.
We're good.
Press forward. See that door? Take a left. We're not alone. Shadows. How many? 3. Take the guy on the right.
Oh, shit!
Good shooting.
Some bloody maze down here.
Good thing you got me.
This way. Graves had traps. He didn't change the codes. Never expected to see us.
What's in there?
Takes us up to the ground level. Stay sharp for more charges. Hear that? Smoke it up, guys.
We're it again, Captain.
On you. Get low. Go under.
Contact. They know we're here.
Well, assume they do, but he may not have had time to call us in. Once we're topside, right, there'll be birds on the tarmac. My pilot will take you up, Captain.
Roger. Let's kill these traps and get moving.
Go there. Let's go.
Follow me. Ahead and to the right. Hold your fire. We're in the center of the base. Secure a helicopter. Get you airborne, Captain. Gus, you're with me.
Right behind you.
On your six. Two by the bird. Let's drop them. Good shot. Bravo 6, birds all yours. Despegue y mantente comunicado.
Sí, señor.
Alejandro, your pilot any good? He's my best. Good luck, Captain.
What's the code?
627. Let's hope it still works.
Aces, boy.
Órale, on me. All goes, one is inside. Copy.
Get him, sir.
All ghosts. On wheels up with eyes on.
Copy that. 2 is inbound to the gate. You're cleared hot when target is marked.
Think Graves is in the HQ holding his ground.
Once we're in, we split up. Close air clears the way.
With shadows on the run, we locate Graves and kill him. Comprende?
Claro y fuerte, teniente. Ghosts, preparados para atacar.
So, get the designator and mark targets for Price in the helo.
Good to go. Roger that. Requesting fire. Target tagged.
Target acquired. Shots out.
Good guns, Bravo 6.
Copy. Get to the HQ and find Graves. Alejandro, use the chaos for cover and get to Valeria.
On me. Go! Go!
Graves is in the HQ.
Target marked for fire.
Keep pushing.
Quiet, trains down.
Pick it up, Soap. We need to locate Graves somewhere in the HQ. Taking belt-fed fire from beneath the tower. Take it out.
Target marked. You're cleared hot.
Copy your marks. Weapons loose.
Changing max.
Weapons hot for gun run. Waiting for your mark, so.
Target marked.
Copy. Engaging your mark.
Go through the barracks to the main building. That's the HQ. Graves will be there.
Smoke, Bravo 6, standing by for fire mission.
tower looks like it can get close to the HQ.
Requesting fire! Grid is marked.
Quiet, round down.
With the helis. On the roof. So, call for fire.
Request for fire. Target marked.
Copy your mark. Weapons loose.
Fuerzas Especiales building. Graves may be inside.
Still got your flag up on the HQ.
Let's keep it that way.
It's locked. Rudy, what do you got?
Breach of charge.
Nice.
Clear to engage all threats inside. If you see Graves, drop him.
Hey, Rudy. Sorry about your base.
Yo también, amigo.
Hit it.
3, 2, 1, execute. Bases, we're in.
Orale, on me. All goes, one is inside.
Copy.
Get him, son.
Place will be full of shadows. Stay quiet if you want to live.
Son, copy. When you got him.
Clear. Good shooting. Time to get to Valeria.
Shadow is heads up on a helo.
That'll give us a chance to move.
Exactly. They're holding Valeria in Hangar 3. Stay out of sight and we'll work our way there.
Hangar 3, roger that.
We can use the vehicles for cover. Stay low. Watch out. Got shadows moving through. Stay sharp. Couple runners nearby.
Whoever the Graves was up to no good.
I always keep my eyes on the gringos. But no, I trusted him.
Bad men can do good things.
Good men can do bad, too.
For real.
Approaching precision.
Contact!
Right behind you!
bad men can do good things.
Good men can do bad, too.
For real.
Approaching your position.
What does gringo actually mean?
In the Mexican-American War, the Americans wore green coats.
When was this?
1847.
Contact! Run behind you!
Think we're clear. Careful. Outside door is open.
Affirm. Code.
627. Valeria's in a container across the hangar. Should be well protected. Let's roll in quiet.
All clear.
Valeria!
Jackpot.
Now we secure this position until Soap Coast and Woody take Graves.
Guys to Bravo 6. Prisoner secure.
Rog, stay sharp. We're going for Graves.
Does Rodolfo have the door codes?
No. Yeah, something a little stronger.
That's locked. Rudy, what do you got?
Breach of charge.
Nice.
Clear to engage all threats inside. If you see Graves, drop him.
Hey, Rudy. Sorry about your base.
Yo también, amigo.
Set it. 3, 2, 1. Execute.
Contact! Second deck!
He's on the run. Clear in.
Go, go, go! Second floor. Move!
Enemy.
Looks like we're clear.
Head for the control room. There's an exit in back.
All stations be advised. Graves went over the wall.
We're hit! Christ! Going down! We're going down!
Steven, hell!
Ese hijo de puta Graves! Let's get over and stop him!
Rodolfo, what's on the other side?
The training area.
The hell's he doing back there? I got you. Go on. Let's end this asshole.
Toma mi mano.
Ghost, you coming?
No. Price and the pilot need help. You two finish this.
Look.
That's not ours.
Holy shit, Graves brought a fucking tank. You ready for this?
Hell yeah.
Looks like the hunters are getting hunted now, huh? Ain't that a kick in the ass?
Can't wait to bake this bastard.
We'll need something stronger to kill Graves in that tank. This is our training area. Plenty we can use. Look around.
The C4, use it on Graves' tank. You and your Mexicano friends fucked with the wrong hombre, McTavish.
Come on, Iron, let's talk about it.
You think this is a fucking game out here? You want to play war? Let's play some fucking war, Chicos. One of you dipshits needs to die last. Who's it gonna be?
Go fuck yourself, Graves.
You got a healthy disrespect for authority, so I like that about you.
Your shepard's lapdog. You get paid to break the rules.
There's only two rules here, boy. Walk away or win. Guess which one I choose. Should've gone home when you had the chance, though. You and that asshole with the mask? Hide behind that uniform. Ain't getting hurt, so blast him with another.
You wore that uniform.
That uniform was a limitation. I shed that skin.
Like a fucking snake.
Like a fucking soldier, son.
You had to make your own little army. You couldn't hack in the real one.
C4 packs a punch, Sergeant. Use it. That's almost funny coming from you, but then again, I remember my first rodeo, too. You're on the short road to hell now, son. I told you to go home, but you didn't listen.
You'll hang for this.
Knock that honor shit off, Johnny. I'll be sipping tequila, forgetting where I buried your ass in a week. That goes for both of you.
Soap. You and me, hermano, brought a gun to a tank fight.
Yeah, we did. Soap the Ghost. And we're Rudy. Graves is KIA. How's Price?
Angry. Lost a good cigar in the crash. Pilot's okay too. Out.
Alejandro, la base está asegurada. Graves está muerto. Vamos en camino.
¿Qué pasó, vaquerito de mierda? ¿Comenzaste una guerra? Te persigue la violencia a todas partes, me cae.
No hice ningún trato contigo. Fueron ellos.
Esa fue tu cagada, precisamente.
You knew that was a third missile.
Oh, I didn't count them. I have people for that.
She's lying.
Where's the son?
Where's the other missile?
Chicago.
What the fuck's going on?
I said I'd tell you where he was. I didn't say I would stop him.
Escorpión de la verga. I warned you she would do this, eh?
I run a business, señores. We grow or we die. It's the way of the world.
You put a target on your back.
No. I put a target in Chicago. Now fucking leave Las Almas and go find the pendejos pa' fuera.
From now, she's yours. But we'll be back.
I look forward to it.
Let's go.
A la chingada.
So, proper transport and get Laswell. A son and a missile are in Chicago.
Esta noche Las Almas